Hey there, it's Josh from Smartlox here. Just wanted to give you a really quick demo of our digital lockout-tagout technology. So really innovative technology we've got here. Instead of having your own personal lock and key and tags hanging all over the place, hundreds of locks dangling over the ground in a daisy chain on a hasp, just need one. So everything now runs through our Bluetooth padlock here and your mobile application. So we'll see here, if I wake up this padlock right now by tapping the button on the bottom, it starts communicating with my mobile device. I slide across, click unlock, and after a couple of seconds, this lock just drops open. Now we can go and install it on our isolation device. Once we place that, we can come back into our application and we can actually start running through our formal process to place this lockout. So if I click apply here, we've got a fairly straightforward checklist for the authorized person to run through. Really, I tried to be aligned with our standard OSHA requirements for hazardous control of hazardous energy. So I can just go to confirm that I've done all of these important steps. I can confirm that I've placed the lockout. I can also take a photograph of that to say, yes, here, this lock has been effectively placed and locked out. Once that's uploaded, we then go back to this, confirm the lockout, and now everything's in place. Once that's done, then we can go and all of our technicians can actually lock onto this one device from their own mobile phone. No need to go and find the authorized person or the lock point and place a personal lock. They just turn up on site, they select the lockout, they click apply, and that adds them with personal protection on this one lock. Super streamlined now, super easy and visible to everybody who's working on site. And you've got accountability now built into the system. So if we have a look at our activity here, we've got a record of every single event that's occurred on this lockout since the start. Let's just say Brent, he's finished for the day, he's gone home, and we realize that he's left his lock on. I can call him directly from the app and say, hey, you've left your lock on, but we want to return this system to service. Can you take it off? From wherever he is, at home on the couch, he can jump on his app, click remove, that takes him off the lock, and the system is ready to be restored by anybody who's on site who's authorized to do so. All along the way, this has all been captured in a report as well. So we can have a look at our audit log here. And we've got a nice, clean, formatted report with all of our information about the lockout as it was installed, who did it, what time, where it was. We've got the photographic evidence to say that the lockout was done effectively. We've got a register of anybody who was involved in this lockout since the beginning, and our activity register here from the first lock being placed to the end of when it was finally removed. So all your OSHA requirements, all here at the click of a button. Really exciting technology. We're seeing fantastic traction all across the world, all the different industries. We're very excited about it. So if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to work with you.